Good morning, everybody. My name's Alison, and I'm here today to show you how to style a lovely bookcase, because I know we all have those in our homes. So what we've done today is just picked out some of our favorite low light plants, easy keepers, and some of our decorative pots. Lots in the neutral sort of tones with just a little bit of pop of orange just to have us thinking about summer. Okay, so here goes. I always start with the biggest things first. I'm gonna lay my pots out and then I'm gonna fill them up with plants. We'll take this guy. This is a ZZ plant. We love him. Super easy care. And you may be thinking, there's no light in this bookcase, but that's okay because the sun does hit this a little bit and then it's just gonna give them just a little bit of sunshine that they need. So I'm just going to contrast the texture a little bit with this fern. Got that little kangaroo fern there. This one, look at how beautiful this is. This just screams summer. It's got this orange with the copper in the middle. I love it. And it looks really nice with the greens as well. Okay, play around a little bit. What else can we use here? Let's do this guy. Mix in some neutrals. Neutrals just kind of give us that balance and a little bit of a pop of color, like that. Okay, we'll do a prayer plant. We love this one. This is lemon lime prayer plant. We just got a fresh batch in. Super fun. Something crazy. What can we do? All right. Two super wispy things. Whoops, both have the same sort of texture. We have the ponytail palm, and this is actually a type of tillandsia, which is related to air plants. And this one's about to bloom. It's got orange flowers on this one, so it's pretty neat. I'm gonna put this one into that orange planter with the copper inside. Oh yeah, that looks really cool. Okay, and maybe, let's see here. Yeah, we'll mix in this little snake plant. Snake plant, also super easy, low light. Okay, so that's our first little shelf there. I'm just gonna move on to the next one down. So again, playing with our neutrals here, we have this matching set of pots. These are also on our curbside site. They fit a 4-inch and a 6-inch pretty nicely. Just set those guys over there. You can mix them up if you like, but I like to put them together. Gonna grab a spider plant here. Also super easy. We love, these are all easy plants to keep inside. I'll put them in here. I love how it just kind of spills out over the edge. Okay, and I'm gonna use this little tiny fern just because it's so dark green against that white. I think we need a little riser in there. I just have this plastic bag. This helps too at home if you don't want to replant your pots. Just put a little bit of a riser in the bottom. It just helps lift the plants up. A little bit of tips. See, look how cute that is. Nice little set. So I'm going to bring in a little bit more of this fun sort of boho summer feel, just because we have it up in this shelf here. It also looks really nice with these green pots as well. I'm just gonna put this one right in the middle, just bringing the color down to this level as well. And it's funny, as we go through this, I'm like, no, I'm gonna switch this around a little bit. We're gonna put the ponytail palm in the middle here. Nice grassy look. And I'm actually gonna steal this fern because I think it looks cuter in there. Yeah, that's the one. Yep. Okay. We've got this little polka dot plant. Nice red color. Gonna be a rebel again, I'm changing it. Can't help it, here we go. Switching it up. Yep. And this guy will go in here. Yep, there we go. Switching it up. And that's the thing, when you're doing this, you're gonna play around with all these colors and you're gonna be like, nope, that's gotta go somewhere else. As you go. Here I go again. pothos. If you guys were in our plant styling class with Jillian and I talked about pothos a lot. This is one of my favorite plants. It is the easiest plant to keep. It grows in low light, grows in bright light, and it just grows like a weed, and it's so forgiving, which is why I love it, because I'm not always that nice to my plants. Just gonna switch it around a little bit up here. This is my little indecisiveness here. Nope, that guy's gonna stay there. I'm gonna work in a little bit more. So we've got these two nice neutral pots too. They just pull in all the colors that we've got going in on the shelf. Either one would work. They kind of have the same, they kind of work the same on the shelf. I'm gonna go with this one. It's really feminine and floral. Just nestle that guy in there. Love the spider plant, just drapes over the side. And now I'm just gonna add some home decor. So we have these really nice little prints here. Nice fern prints. It just makes us think of summer. And I'm just gonna tuck these in behind some of the pots. Just kind of completes that look. Adds another element that we're looking for here. Okay, it doesn't have to be symmetrical. You can play around with these and move one up here even. That also works. Tuck that guy back a little bit. Yeah, I'm liking that. That's good. Okay, and I have a few more things here because we love our succulents, and these are some little arrangements that we made up, but incorporating glass just adds a little bit of extra shine and it reflects the light. So I like to just pop these in really close to the edge. That way they get enough light. So you can do one sort of here like this. This guy, pair those ones together. I'll just pop this guy in up here. Okay, and there you have it. We've styled our old bookcase, given it some life and incorporated lots of easy plants, beautiful pots that all work together, and adding a little bit of pop of color and that nice green that we're all looking for so much right now. So thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed a little plant shelfie. Don't